Today is 11/20/24. The game plan is to charge this R410A Aurora Mini split system with heat and cold, and the line set this one and this one using the calculator online. I'm supposed to put in 1.176 pounds. Once I do that, then I'm gonna say that this line is fully charged, and I'm gonna open this up and let the refrigerant inside come out and mix with it. So this is a used unit, and I'm assuming whoever did this turned it off correctly, where they put a gauge on it and they ran the unit, and then they closed one side off, and then when the gauge pressure, when everything got sucked into the machine, the pressure starts dropping, and then they close up everything and then turn off the power. So if everything goes well, that person did it correctly. We're supposed to meet with the 1.11 ounces, so 111.1 ounces of refrigerant in there to meet up with this 1.1 pound, 1.176. This is in pounds, and this is in ounces. And so here we go. So we've been pulling a vacuum, and then so now we're going to, the tank has 10 pounds in there, so when the tank drops to 8.85, then I have a total of 1.176 pounds inside these lines. So here we go, and the unit is all powered and everything ready to go. I just haven't turned it on the inside yet. So where's gonna be a good picture? This is not a very good stable place. I think we're just gonna put it on this cardboard here and call it a day. Alright, so point of view down and going up. So we're gonna first put our safety glasses on, and then I'm gonna put another pair of gloves just in case it gets cold. It will be protected by the outside glove versus the inside glove. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open this to purge some refrigerant out. So we're going to open these two valves right here. Open them. And then I'm going to start opening this thing. Alright. Okay, so we purged there. So we better close these valves. Okay, these valves are closed. Let's open this guy up. Okay, and this valve is open. We're at 9.6. Okay. So I'm gonna have to end this recording and do the math again. So we're at 9.625. And we're gonna minus, this is in pounds, and this is in pounds, 1.176.